IPReports is our industry-standard validation report writing software, which enables you to create documents instantly recognised by AEDs across the UK. With IPReports version 2, you can select your report template and choose the standard that you are working to. Pass-fail criteria and references automatically change to suit your selected standard. Thermometric test data is imported into your report and calculations using your data are automatically performed, limiting human error. You can import your thermometric test equipment into your report. All other equipment can also be added and saved for use in future reports. IPReports is not just for temperature and pressure. All manual tests such as wash disinfector cleaning efficacy are catered for. Images for all tests can also be imported. Report summaries are automatically populated using pass-fail results and cycle numbers from your completed report. IPReports version 2 also generates a list of all cycle numbers used during testing and identifies which tests they were used for. In order to prevent incomplete reports being issued, sections can only be saved as complete once all critical fields have been populated. You can, however, save reports as incomplete, allowing you to finish at a later date. Make sure that you watch our other IPReports version 2 demonstrations showing how the software can benefit your process validation reporting.